All right, so the next small appliance we got here is a microwave. Ours is kind of put up above the oven because it actually has filters along the bottom that suck up steam from when we cook on our stovetop here.
You can actually take off and clean also.
You can, yeah, you can take those filters out, get them clean, replace those. But mainly what we want to show you with the microwave here is the inside. You got to keep that clean just for your own health and stuff.
And I usually keep it pretty clean, but
Not
I
right
made
now.
some sloppy joes.
Yeah,
And it exploded all over our
all over,
microwave.
and it looks
so
nasty.
what you can do that really helps is we've got this little dealio that is made for cleaning a microwave, but you can get a little bowl with some water and some vinegar, and you mic it for 2 minutes. And what that does is it steams everything and it loosens everything up, and so you can wipe it away really clean. If I were to just wipe it now, it's like
It comes off.
it's kind of like smeary and nasty, but so we're gonna do that real quick.
And then once that's done, we'll go ahead and we'll wipe out the inside. We might replace or clean the filters, and then the microwave will be good to use again. We'll be good to go, and then we can move on to our next small appliance.
Okay, so our microwave is done. So
Okay.
take this out. Now this is super hot, so I usually just let it cool for a sec. And so now everything is super easy to wipe down. Just wipe it down so easy.
Makes it a lot easier to clean out if you do.
Like
The
this
steam
is
method.
just like so easy and nasty. So you want to take this out and clean this in the
Wash those
sink.
if you want to keep wiping
And
that
then
out.
I'll finish wiping everything down. Malachi got the plate all cleaned with soap and water, and then
Sparkling
I
clean.
wiped everything down, and you're good to, so you make sloppy joes again.